Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to use headset that comes with only a single 3.5mm audio jack on your PC, and one of the way doesn't require you to buy any extra equipment. Just a quick welcome to my video and channel, Chen Gaming. So recently I have bought a headset from JB Hi-Fi, which is our gaming and entertainment local store here in Perth, Australia. It is very cheap, $29.
Yeah, boy.
A headset is a headphone that comes with a built-in microphone. So this bad boy has got a built-in mic and a single 3.5mm cable. But I didn't realize that a computer needs a separate socket for headphones and microphones. So when I tried on my PC, the computer couldn't register both the headphones and the mic at the same time.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
If you plug into the mic, it only reads as a microphone, and if you plug into the headphones, it only reads as a headphones. So one way to fix this issue is to go and buy an audio jack splitter. It cost me $11 on my local store here at PLE Computers, or I can get it for $3 on eBay, but it'll take about a week for them to send it. So I found another way that I can use without buying that extra bit. I only have to use the PC and the smartphone. Here comes the answer, guys. It's DroidCam.
Pow!
DroidCam is a free software that you can download to your PC and your phone. So on Google, just search DroidCam. This is the website, Dev47 Apps. Download the client to your PC. And just open the exe file that you've just downloaded. Just install it. Once that's done, we will want to install it to your phone. Not the X, just use the free one, the DroidCam. Click install. So you can do this through your PC or manually through your phone from Google Play Store. Just click next. So once you have that installed on your computer and your phone, we will want to open the program DroidCam. Open the client. Yeah. So that's the program open. Keep in mind all that fields needs to be filled in and matched to the one on your phone. Let me bring the phone screen. Let me bring my phone on this screen. Let me bring my phone up on the screen. I am using this program called iPowerSoft Mirror. So on your phone, open the DroidCam app that you just downloaded as well. And you want to input this detail here from your phone into the fields here in your desktop client or your PC client, and there you have it. So now the computer will be able to detect your microphone and headphones separately. For example, if you're using the OBS Studio, when you open up a window capture, you will see the DroidCam client as your webcam. And you can do the same with the audio. So you choose the audio input channel. The DroidCam option will come up, and that will trigger the microphone. DroidCam virtual audio. There it is, and that DroidCam is your microphone. in OBS. So you can see that it is recording me talking now. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video can be useful. Please like and comment guys. Let me know what you think of the video. That will be much appreciated. Cheers guys. Peace.